Hi, this is Pickleball Terry, and my beginners ask me a lot of times, what is the NVZ in pickleball? Well, the NVZ is a non-volley zone in pickleball, also known as the kitchen. Is it this kitchen? No, but that's a very nice kitchen. It's this kitchen. So we got 7 feet from the net and 20 feet across on either side. That is called the kitchen or the non-volley zone. Why is it called the kitchen? Well, in shuffleboard, there's an area you don't want to be in. It's called the kitchen. You actually lose points if you're in the kitchen. So I believe it's a carryover from shuffleboard. Can the ball strike the NVZ line during a serve? No, that's a fault. The white line all around this turquoise area is the non-volley zone NVZ line or the kitchen line, and the ball cannot strike that during the serve. It can hit the center line, it can hit the sideline, and it can hit the baseline as long as it's not in the kitchen area. A difference between a volley and a rally. Well, that's a good question. A volley is when you hit the ball before it bounces. A rally is when you hit the ball after it bounces. Hitting a ball before it bounces is called a volley. And therefore, you do not want to be in the non-volley zone or the kitchen. But hitting a ball after it bounces is a rally. So if the ball bounces in the kitchen, you can go into the kitchen and hit it back over the net, but I advise you to get right out of the kitchen. So my name is Pickleball Terry. You can email me your questions, but don't do this. Stay safe out there. Thanks for watching. Bye.